Welcome to Hajian Ranch in Armenia. We are baking potatoes on top of our wood stove here. You can see the fire nicely going in the wood stove and the potatoes. We sliced them and sprinkled some salt. When one side is cooked, we will flip them and cook the other side. This is the stovepipe in our living room of the new house, the guest house we're building. And as you can see, we're starting to install the metal on top of the ceiling, where eventually we're going to hang the drywall from these metal strips. They'll be reinforced, of course. There'll be like hundreds of metal pieces going across the ceiling, cross-braced and everything. And once the metal studs are in place, we will be installing a drywall ceiling up here. Have a blessed day, my friends, as you worship Jesus. God bless you.